If we scroll up to the top of each and go to Manage Fields, there's a few more options here. In Drupal 8, there's just the picture field, but if we go to Manage Form Display, we have a couple other options that we can change the settings of for the user edit form. We have username and time zone in Drupal 7, and in Drupal 8, we have the picture field, language settings, and context settings as well, and we can adjust these. Notice that there's also different form modes for users, and we can click Register in order to change the display of the form for registration. This is something that used to require contributed modules or overrides in a custom module to accomplish. And it's one place that Core uses different form displays. So let's say for registration, we don't want the user to adjust their picture, so we can hide that. We don't want them to be able to mess with language just yet. And we think that time zone is something they can set later if they need to. So we can reduce the complexity of the registration form pretty quickly. If we go to Manage Display, I'm going to go ahead and go over there in Drupal 7 as well. We have a couple new options. We have Picture and then Member For, which is the duration of time that the user has been a member. And we also have two display modes, Default and Compact, with the option to adjust one more view mode here. If we went to Structure, Display Modes, and View Modes, we could add additional view modes for users as well that we could use in Views and other modules.